Drive smoothly. Drive with well behave. Keep engine revs low. Do not rev your engine. If you want to help environment, drive calmly, nicely. What does fuel efficient driving achieve? Again, similar question, different wording. Fuel efficient driving, well behaved driving, sensible driving, nice driving, calm driving. What are you going to get benefit if you are driving nicely? Increased fuel consumption? Your vehicle is going to take more fuel? No. Improved road safety? You're going to have better road safety? Yes. If you're driving nicely, you are having better road safety. Simple. If you're driving nicely, you are having better road safety. So that's the one of the main benefit you're going to gain. You want to put a rear facing baby seat on the front passenger seat? What must you do if the passenger seat is protected by a frontal airbag? Deactivate the airbags. If the front seats are protected by frontal airbags, I'm going to show you what airbags are, and I'm going to show you why they are there for. This is airbag. Why they are there? If you have an accident, these are going to pop out from steering wheel, and it depends which model and which car you are driving, but some cars have more than others. But yeah, basic, you're gonna have this one and you're gonna have that one to protect you from flying out of windscreen. If you have a big accident, it will protect you as a driver because you would be sitting here. It will protect you to fly out of windscreen. But if you have a baby on front seat here, and if these are activated, if now you have an accident, this can harm a baby. This can hurt really badly. Baby can get hurt. So, what do you need to do? If you're putting baby on front seat, you need to deactivate them. How do you deactivate? Very simple thing. There's a little button, you just click it and it's deactivated. When you start driving, you will find it, don't worry. So deactivate the airbag if you are putting little babies on front. You are driving along a quiet motorway, which advanced driver assistance system is most likely to help you. If you are driving on quiet motorway, which advanced driver assistance system is helping you? Traffic jam assist, automotive night vision, intelligent speed assist, or lane departure warning? Which system is going to help you? Lane departure warning. If you're driving on quiet street, lane departure warning is going to help you. Let me show you. You're driving in this car, beautiful yellow car. Because nobody's around you, it is quiet road, nobody's this side, nobody's this side. So what can happen? Your car can be drifting out of your lane. Your car can be going out of your lane. It is very easy because nobody's around you. So this system is going to start beeping. It will tell you that your car is going out of your lane. It will beep on you. It will make a sound for you. Lane departure warning is called. You are driving a car with blind spot monitoring function. What must you regularly check to make sure that the function will work properly? Blind spot. That the sensors on the car are clean. Because blind spot monitoring function works on sensors. If sensors are not clean, it's not going to work. Blind spot monitoring function. You are in this red car, and these two cars are in your blind spot. You can't really see them through your mirrors. How would you be able to see them? If you look over your shoulder. That's how you're going to see them. But this blind spot monitoring function, what it does, if anybody comes in your blind spot, it will make a little beep to let you know that somebody is in your blind spot. Again, if you want that system to work properly, you need to make sure that the sensors on your car are clean. If they're not clean, because this system works on sensors, you would not be able to get help. What is a legal minimum tread depth for tires on your trailer or caravan? It is 1.6 mm. If they ask you about car, about trailer, about caravan, it is 1.6 mm. You are driving along a dual carriageway. This symbol is displayed on your dashboard. Which advanced driver system is turned on? Again, which system is turned on in this situation? Blind spot, intelligent speed, lane keep assist, or traffic jam? Traffic jam is, sorry, lane keep assist is turning on. It's telling you you need to stay in your lane. The question is, you are driving along a dual carriageway. This symbol is displayed on your dashboard. Which advanced driver assistance system is turned on? Lane keep assist, what I showed you earlier on. Not this one, the other one. Is telling you that your vehicle is going out of lane. Lane keep assist. You service your own vehicle. How should you dispose of the old engine oil? If you service your own vehicle, how can you get rid of your old engine oil? Take it to local authority site? Yes. What does that mean? Have you ever taken the old furniture to a site or your garden waste or old carpet? They called local authority sites. So you need to go there if you need to throw your engine oil. How can you help to prevent your car radio being stolen? What can you do if you want to protect your radio, your car's radio? If you want to protect your car radio, what can you do? Park in an unlit area, that's not helping. Leave the radio turned on, that's not helping. Park near a busy junction, that's not helping. Install a security coded radio. A security coded radio can deter thieves, as it is likely to be of little use when removed from the vehicle. Very small time is going to be used for. After that, I think what they're trying to say is it won't be in use then. Nobody can use it. So that's why nobody's gonna take it if it is security coded radio. What is the legal minimum depth or tread for car tires? For car, caravan, for trailer, it is 1.6 mm. They can confuse you sometime. For the car, the thread is 1.6 mm. What about for trailer? Please, it's 1.6. So don't be confused. Don't be thinking, oh, trailer B is big, that's why it should be 2.6. Don't be thinking like that. They do try to confuse you sometimes. What can people who live or work in towns and cities do to help reduce urban pollution? If anybody who's living in towns and cities and they want to help the environment to reduce the pollution, what can they do? Drive more quickly? Is that helping? No. Over rev in low gear? No. Walk or cycle? Yes. If you want to help the environment, what do you need to do? You need to walk or cycle. So you can have less traffic in road on roads.